Tired of strangers being able to see your phone number on Telegram? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your number and protect your privacy in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, the process is easy and the same for everyone. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss any new tutorials I upload. So, first things first, find and open your Telegram app. Once you're in, the next step is to tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings page. In Settings, you'll see a bunch of options. Look for the one called Privacy and Security and tap on it. Once there, in the Privacy section, you'll see the option Phone Number. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a section called Who Can See My Phone Number? Simply tap Nobody. This way, your number will be hidden from all Telegram users. I also recommend that under the section Who Can Find Me by My Number, you select My Contacts. This means that only people you have saved in your contacts will be able to find you by your phone number, while everyone else, even if they have your number, won't be able to find or contact you on Telegram. This is a great way to further protect your privacy and prevent unwanted messages or calls. That's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Smart Assistant. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.